Welcome back. The cd command, short for change directory, is a fundamental command in command line interfaces. Its primary purpose is to change the current working directory to a new directory, allowing you to navigate and work with files and directories from the command line. Let us see the options we are going to see in this video. Also, in the end, we will see some tricks you can use with cd. So in the screen you can see some options which we are going to discuss as part of this video. So the basic syntax of cd is cd and the directory name. Let us see that in the terminal. So this is our current working directory. Let's change from current working directory to Oracle home by giving absolute path, and this is our absolute path for the Oracle home. Obviously, you can also change the directories by giving relative path. For example, like this. So these are relative paths for Oracle home. You can also use tab and it will try to fill the directory name automatically. So you can see I'm hitting the tab button and it is filling the directory names. Let's see cd hyphen, and it is used when you want to switch back to previous directory where you were working earlier. So let's say you were in the Oracle home and then you cd to u01 Mazahir. Now you can go back to Oracle home by using cd hyphen, and you can see we are in the Oracle home. Next is cd tilde, which is used to go to home directory. So we are in the Oracle home here and we will do cd tilde, and you can see now we are in the root. So that is home for the root user. You can change to another user's home directory using tilde and the username. So let's see that. So here I'm using tilde and the username, that is Oracle. And you can see now we are inside Oracle home. Or you can also say it is home for Oracle user. Now to change to the root directory, you can simply cd slash, and let's do it. So cd slash, and you can see now we are in the root. Double dots are used when you want to change to parent directory. So you can see we are inside our fmw domain, and we will run cd double dot, and now you can see we are in the parent directory, that is domains. You can switch back to multiple directories like cd double dot slash double dot slash double dot. You can see we navigated 3 directories up. We will also see how to simplify this process in the end, so stay tuned. Now to change to directory having spaces, you can use quotes or backslashes. So here we have an example. You can see this is the directory name with the spaces. So you can cd with quotes, and now you are inside this directory, or you can cd with backslashes like this. So these are escape characters and we are using this to escape spaces, and you will be able to cd inside this directories like this also. Let us see few hacks with cd command. First is CDPATH. It is used to define the base directory for cd command. So if you are frequently doing cd to subdirectories of a specific parent directory, you can set the cd path to parent directory and perform cd to the subdirectories with giving parent directory path. For example, we are in the home. Now if you frequently want to cd in u01, you can set the cd path to u01. For that you will have to export cd path to u01. So it will be export cd path equal to u01. Now if you cd to a directory which is present in u01, it should work. So let's cd to Oracle, and you can see now we are able to cd to Oracle directly from the home. because the default CD path is U01. To make this change permanent, you can add export CD path in your bash profile. So for example, you are an Oracle DBA and frequently working under Oracle Home. You can set the CD path variable to Oracle Home. To revert this change, you can export CD path back to home like this. And now if you are CD to Oracle, it should not work. Next hack is to add Alias to navigate up the directories. This is useful when you are navigating up a very long directory structure. So you can CD with double dots like this. Instead, you can make alias. For example, we have here. So I have created few alias. So if double dot is there, it should CD double dot. If double dot 2 is there, it should CD double dot 2 times, and so on. Now you can simply go back like this. And you can see we are 3 directories up now. I'm again in OHS1 domain, and this is my favorite alias pattern, and it looks like this. So you don't have to write double dot 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now you can simply put 3 dots and you will be able to go 3 directories up. You can see. Last hack is to run 2 commands. So you can run ls along with cd or any other command also. We have one example, and here we are going to cd domains, and then we are going to ls it as well. And now you can see we cd'd to this domains folder, and also we run ls command with it. That's it for this video. We have discussed cd command usage with interesting hacks. Do check out the other videos where I have covered other Linux commands. So you can see on the screen we have posted ls command video, echo command video, grep, wildcards, shell scripting, etc. If you found this video helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for the further notification. And don't forget to leave a comment so that I can get some feedback from you. Thank you.